Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, this is the second video in the pivot table module. So in this video, I will show you the importance of tables in Excel and how effective tables can be, and also we will find the difference between general cells with some data items and the standard table, right? So let's get started with the video. So here I have uh, a general cells of data. So first of all, if you think this as a table, then you're wrong, because for us humans this might look like a table, but for Excel this is not actually a table, right? It is just a cells filled with some data here, right? So I will show you how to convert this into a table as well. So first let us work with this without having a table. Let's see how this works, and also I will show you how we can actually work with a table, how to convert this into a table, right? So let us find out the difference between normal cells with data and a table. So the scenario here is, here I have a sample product data, and also I have the January sales and February sales. Now I want to calculate the January sales here, right? So, so without using a table, how we can calculate the January sales is, right? So here I will use the sum formula, right? So here I will be writing the sum formula, and I will select the cell differences and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we got the total January sales for here we got the total January sales, right, using the sum formula. Now suppose if I want to add one more product here. Now let us see if this sales value gets changed or not, right? So I will write one more product ACs, and I will enter some number here, and let me convert this into currency. And now you can see nothing has happened here, right? If I double click on that, so the formula which we entered, the sum formula, it is only taking the cell differences from C7 to C11. If I add anything additional values here, it is not taking, right? So that is the disadvantages of not having a table, right? So as I said in the starting of the video, Excel will not treat this as a table. It is just a few cells that are containing few lines of data, right? So that is a disadvantage here. So, and also if I add any more cells, or if I remove cells, also this won't get changed here, right? Even if I remove this, it won't get changed here, it will remain the same. So so this is how this is the disadvantage of not having a table. But I in this here I will show you how to create a table, right? So this was one method. This was one method without having a table. Now let us see how we can convert this into a table, uh, and see how different it is from a general cells of table and a standard table. So here also I have the same data. Now I want to convert this into a table. So to convert this into a table, the shortcut key is Control T, right? So here, as I mentioned, the shortcut is Control T, right? So you can click on OK. So these are the cell differences that Excel has automatically selected, and you can also check this, right? Because our table has headers, right? We have the headers here, right? So you can check this and click on OK. And now you can see Excel has converted normal cells of data into a standard tables, right? So this is called a table. To confirm whether this is table or not, there is a simple technique here. So if I select this, you can see in the navigation menu, no other tabs are being displayed, right? But if I select this table here, Here you can see there is an additional tab added in the navigation menu, which is table design, right? So that is the main difference. So that confirms that this is a actual table in Excel, right? So that is how you can confirm it. But if I select this, you can see there is no tab highlighted here, right? So that is how you can find the difference if this is a table or not. Right. Now let us add a product here, right? Let us add AC, and now you can see whenever I add something here, cell is automatically creating me the cells here, right? It is automatically dynamically creating the tables here, right? So let me add the value as well, and also add one more product here. So before that, before adding this, let us find out the total January sales, right? So now that we converted this into a table, let us find out the January sales. So here once again is equal to, and here I will only select the January column, and I will close this table. So here I will select this and I will hit enter. And now you can see we got the January sales. So what? So you can ask me what is the exact difference here, right? Both the we got both the answers as same, right? 4,66,72. But the thing is, whenever, so here in this case, whenever I added some other product, it was showing me an error, right? The value was not getting changed. But if I add any other product in this here, so let us add AC and let us add some value, and you can see the value has automatically got changed here, right? So that is the main advantage of having a table. Now let us add one more product. So right here, and here you can see the value has also changed here, right? So that is the main benefits of using a table. Now if I want to remove this pressure cooker product, I can simply delete it, and you can observe this value here. Now it is 5,66,150, right? Now if I remove this, the value gets changed, right? So that is how the tables can be effective. The values will dynamically get changed. You don't have to write any formulas here, right? You need to just select the entire column, and whenever you have any extensions of products here, this total will automatically get calculated, right? Now this is one of the benefit. Now the second benefit is, now I want to calculate the total sales here, right? This is January and this is February. Now I want to calculate the total sales. So here I will add one more column, total sales, and you can see how fast Excel has given us the table extensions, right? Now to calculate the total here, I will do the same thing. So I will select this one and this table here, right? So here you can see, oh sorry, so is equal to this table and this table, right? So here you can see we got our values here. So we did not use any sum formula. We just added this January sales with February sales, right? And we got the answer here, right? So here you can see, and if you observed it, I only added the added the form and added the cell referencing to only the laptop product, but Excel has automatically given me the values for list of other products as well, right? So in let us add one more product here, cooker, and let us add some value here, and you can see Excel has automatically calculating the formula for cooker as well. Now if I add February sales here, and you can see the formula, and the total sales is also getting changed here, right? So here you can see the total sale value has also got updated dynamically, right? So this is the main advantage of having a table, of using a table. So here we we wrote, Excel was not able to calculate any additional products here. It was only calculating till whatever cell differencing we have given in the sum for now. But when it comes to table, you don't have to write any formula here. Just you need to give the cell differencing between these two values, and Excel will do the job automatically. And also, if you have any additional products, you can add it, and Excel will update the table automatically, right? So that is how you use the table effectively in Excel. And I hope you understood this topic. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section. And if you find this video useful, then please consider subscribing to my channel so that I can make much more videos on Excel and pivot tables. Thank you.